and gentlemen, welcome back to DCW Overdrive TV. Thank you once again for joining us. And we're starting with a qualifying match to be entered into the DCW Stairway to Glory match.
Introducing first, team number 1, at a total combined weight of 305 pounds. First, hailing from Camden, New Jersey, this is Draven.
Total combined weight of 300 pounds. Goodness gracious. I wish I weighed half of 300 pounds. But we gotta love this team. Ivan Draven, the first member coming out. And this man has grown quite the following. Draven is here. I definitely just high-fived with a fist bump. That's how cool I am.
His tag team partner, hailing from San Juan, Puerto Rico, this is Hector El Toro.
Hector.
Lovely known as I Am the Draven.
Hector El Toro. Somebody got a haircut. He's looking sharp. He's looking good. I haven't seen this man in a little bit. And my God, does he look ready for action. This is one team. We're going to see three tag teams in this match. The winners, the two winners advancing to the Stairway to Glory ladder match for a briefcase containing a contract for a shot at any Dynamite Championship Wrestling title.
Next, team number 2.
Oh boy.
At a total combined weight of 319 pounds. First, hailing from North Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, the one of one, Chris Wade. And his tag team partner, hailing from the City of the Stars, CNC Cornelius Nigel Harder.
Oh, and the fans do not like them here in Fulton, Delaware. CNC looking like a music factory in love himself. That hat on, he looks like something out of Martin. Remember that show, Martin? I do. I'm that old. Oh.
And finally, team number 3.
Ha 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 ha! Oh, look at this! You want to talk about someone who's gained a following here in DCW?
At a total combined weight of 597 pounds. First, hailing from the Old West by way of Richmond, Virginia, Mr. Miller.
Well, it's about time we got a team out here that their total combined weight doesn't equal my total combined weight. I'm very excited to see that. Mr. Miller waiting on his tag team partner here, and here he comes.
And his tag team partner, hailing from the flames of the void, Omega Phoenix.
You want to get a tag team partner that's going to help you succeed? Omega Phoenix, you don't get much better. 350 pounds, 6'7". No nonsense attitude today from Mr. Miller. Not coming here trying to sell any bottles of elixir or ointment or anything. Coming straight to the ring with his partner Omega Phoenix. He's ready for action. He's ready to climb that ladder later on tonight in the main event.
anything about me tonight back. I swear.
Hey,
You better not.
you're just gonna have to wait and listen.
You get a privilege tonight to guard this.
We don't want to guard that.
I don't.
will guard.
Chris White and Cornelius Carter coming over here, dropping off a hat and glasses.
It's our opening contest here on Overdrive TV. Fans, we're glad you're with us. Shadows, Rick Connor at ringside.
I kind of want to put that hat on. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of want to put that hat and glasses on, but that's not my job here tonight. Jay, what do you make of these teams? I don't think we've seen Mr. Miller and Omega Phoenix team up before, have we?
Certainly an unusual pairing, Rick. Couldn't really tell you what to expect, but action personified, I'm sure, is in store for us tonight.
We're starting out with Mr. Miller and Draven. Look at this sign of respect we got here. Uh-oh.
Wait a minute.
Oh!
Arm elbow.
Aggressive lockup.
Mr. Miller, who's been on a roll as of late with some high society members. Got some new duds on here.
Oh, nice reversal.
Taking it to Draven here. Again, winners of this contest will go to our main event, Stairway to Glory.
I can't wait to see who's going to advance. Oh! Nice headlock takeover there by Mr. Miller.
Somebody said it was wrestling. It is indeed. Dynamite Championship Wrestling, to be more precise. Mr. Miller off the ropes now. Nice shoulder tackle there.
He's a big man in there with Draven.
Size on his side. Drop down over the top. Nice arm drag over by Mr. Miller. Draven going behind with a waistlock there. Mr. Miller trying to find his way out. Does indeed.
He found it with an elbow. Oh, nice.
Drives Draven down. 1-2. Oh, but here comes Draven right back.
I couldn't really understand what Omega Phoenix was yelling there. I don't know if those were words of encouragement or if they're mad at each other.
Oh!
Dear Lord.
Draven having some sign language for Omega Phoenix.
I wouldn't turn my back to Omega Phoenix right now, I'll tell you that.
No, indeed. Mr. Miller now feeling the effects of those high-flying maneuvers there by Draven. Neutral corner shot off now. Wrong part of town. Tag made now. Here comes CNC.
Cornelius Nigel Carter.
See, he's got some new wrestling gear on tonight.
Yeah.
Along with some new evening gloves.
Yeah. Always with the evening gloves with this guy. He's very fancy.
It's a night at the opera. These two. High flying. Draven trying to maneuver way out. Sunset
nice.
flip. Only gets one count. Oh, but CNC comes right back with a knee.
I don't know if our cameras can pick it up, but we got some action going on the outside as well. It's a little bit of jaw jacking.
Tag made. This is Hector El Toro in there now.
Oh.
Talking about raw brute force. This youngster has it. And from San Juan, Puerto Rico now, look at this. CNC tags out to Omega Phoenix.
I didn't think you were going to see that. I figured you would want to take your own partner in. Whoa.
And Omega Phoenix not taking anything off of anybody here.
I'm loving the aggression from this team, Omega Phoenix and Mr. Miller.
Getting some serious trash talking here among these three teams.
Oh, slip behind. Wait, did Cornelius make a tag there?
I do believe he did.
I don't think Omega Phoenix knows it.
CNC's waiting on his spot here.
Oh,
Oh, we got caught. We wasn't looking for that.
He took a little bit too much time. Wait a minute, Chris White off the top rope.
The one-on-one.
Oh, no.
And he gets caught as well. Omega Phoenix has them both. Goozled.
Listen to this crowd. They're going nuts. Oh, no.
Oh, super kick. Rocks the big man. But he's still on his feet.
Still on his feet. Oh.
CNC.
Following up that European uppercut there.
Oh, look at this. Nice double team work there by
That's one way to take him down.
these two young individuals. Chris White in there now. Giving it his all.
If you can't do it by yourself, get your partner to help you. Why not?
Again, great tag team wrestling here. Keeping Omega Phoenix in their part of the ring. CNC now.
Yeah, they got no problem right now making quick tags in and out to their own partners.
And again, the strategy at this point in time is to keep Omega Phoenix down. And they're doing just that. Big right hand finds its mark on Omega Phoenix.
Fist drop. My God.
Oh, look, now he thinks he's Muhammad Ali.
Taking shots when he can, but I'm telling you, if you're not laying in those shots, you're going to have a bad time with Omega Phoenix. You need to keep him on that mat, sir.
He's just making the big man mad. And Omega Phoenix.
Oh, God.
Leg dove him. And Chris Wade gets up. Oh, but, oh no.
No, he didn't get that DDT he wanted.
No, he didn't. Tag me.
Oh! Did you see that? Oh, and another super kick.
These two. Firing on all cylinders. And there's a cutter. And a cover.
Oh, that was so close. Omega Phoenix just has too much power. Too much power, though.
And again, Chris Wade and CNC again need to stay on this big man. Rick, I'm really impressed so far.
As am I. I wouldn't have called this. I wouldn't have imagined this would be the case. That CNC with Chris White could keep Omega Phoenix down for that long. Uh-oh.
Oh! Somebody call his mama.
Dear Lord, why do you hate that man's chest? Oh, my God.
Thanks for coming.
What is it, his skin that made that noise, or did his sternum crack?
Break out the Neosporin. Oh, listen to these fans, Rick.
Oh, they want to see it. Oh.
And that's called paying your dues right there.
And Chris White voluntarily tagged in there. I don't know how smart that was.
Oh, but look at this. He's not backing down, right?
I got to give him credit. He's standing up. He's standing up to the big man. What are you going to do? Oh, he went low. He went to the knee.
Goes downstairs.
Very, very smart on Chris White's part.
Again.
Double DDT.
CNC in the 1 of 1. Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, he got that rope. He's got that reach, so he can do it.
Great call there by senior official Hank Daniels. Ring presence there by the former DCW champion, Omega Phoenix.
It's not too smart to leave him in Mr. Miller's corner there, but there we go. He drags him back out.
Side headlock by CNC. Again, here comes Chris White. In the meantime, some trash talking here from Mr. Miller. Referee's distracted.
Draven went over to try and do something, but...
Really, Draven and Hector Altura really haven't been a major factor in this contest.
Nah. It's been kind of one-sided here.
It certainly has.
He needs to stop jaw-jacking with the other team and keep on Omega Phoenix. If he gets back to his feet, he's in all kinds of trouble.
Omega Phoenix, watch out. DDT.
Another DDT, my goodness. Chris White taking his time, picking his shots. I think he might be taking a little too much time. Oh, no. Daddy's angry. Oh, boy. Chris White doesn't know it yet, but he's in all kinds of trouble.
The giant has risen.
Oh, brother. Somebody didn't empty the dishwasher. Oh.
Look at this hodgepodge.
My God. Double power bomb.
There are bodies everywhere. Omega Phoenix. Major destruction there. Taking out both men. Can he make the tag?
If he gets over and tagged that Mr. Miller, this team is in a whole heck of a lot of trouble.
Mr. Miller tagged in. Whoa.
Oh!
Mr. Miller.
Back elbow. All fired up.
Our partner from the Old West.
Wait, did Draven make a tag?
Side slam there on Draven.
What kind of elixir do you think Miller
Wait a
took for
minute.
it to get this hyped up?
Hector El Toro now in there.
Two big men fighting out in the corner.
And right now, this one's kind of breaking down, Rick.
I don't know. I can't tell what happened here. Did Chris White make a blind tag there? I couldn't tell. I know Draven did.
Watch out. Draven to the outside. There goes Mr. Miller right out after him.
Who's legal here? What's happening?
I think the referee's lost all control of this one. In the meantime, here's a pinning attempt. Draven with two.
Mr. Miller and Hector El Toro going out on the outside with Draven now. Got all kinds of chaos going on.
Mr. Miller getting double teamed here by Eye of the Raven. Rammed into the ring apron there.
CNC, wait a second.
Up and over.
Oh my God.
I want to say he almost landed on the back of his head there, Rick.
I don't know if he got all of that. I don't know what. I don't know who's down. I don't know who's legal. But we got Draven and Chris White in the ring.
These two battling back and forth. Again, Hank Daniels just letting them go at it.
Oh! It's a suplex into some kind of cutter there.
High impact maneuver there by Draven. Going for a pin attempt. And Chris White to the outside.
Omega Phoenix joining the fight on the outside. Trying to protect his partner, I guess.
Again, this one's just broken down.
We got bodies everywhere.
CNC right out here in front of us.
With Omega Phoenix.
Here comes Hector El Toro. Referee's counting.
Miller with CNC. Draven with Omega Phoenix. Not doing that great of a job. Wait a second. The referee's up to 9. Wait a second.
Wait, what?
In 14 minutes and 19 seconds, referee Hank Daniels has counted 2 teams out. Therefore, your winners as a result of the countout, CNC and 101, Chris White.
You gotta be kidding me. With all the chaos that was going on, was Chris White even the legal man?
I have no idea.
Everything broke down on the outside. Chris White just happened to be in the ring.
Wait a minute.
Oh, Chris White getting out of dodge. CNC still laying flat on his back in the middle of the ring.
CNC, if I were you, I'd be heading for higher ground here.
It's not the place he wants to be right now. CNC looks like he's in the middle of a zombie apocalypse and he's about to get ate.
Oh, wait a minute, Mr. Miller.
Oh!
With the old Western Slam there.
Well, these two teams not too happy with the outcome of this match, but regardless,
it's going to be CNC and Chris White advancing to our main event at Stairway to Glory.